Hello everyone, this is business person with today. Guys, I quickly want to show you this video. I'll make this video as the first part of the video because I'm gonna post this and come back with another video later. This is a swing trade. I spot one now, okay, on Crash 500 index, and which I spot on H4. Okay, so this is H4. So guys, I will go for a few hours and come back and see how the trade is doing. Okay, so guys, this is Crash 500 index. I'm buying. I have multiple positions already with lot size of 2.0. Okay, so I have multiple accounts that I'm trading in now. Let me view it on M1 so that you guys can see. You can see it has been complying to what we have for now. Even if there is a spike down, we will not be worried. Okay, I have dropped the signal on the VIP. You can see VIP for Crash 500 index. The EP, you can see this is our entry point 8183, and the SL is 80 and 69, and also the TP is 84. Though the TP is a bit higher. Okay, I don't know if those guys in the VIP will be able to stand this. Okay, so we're going for a buy. You can see we have 12 people who have viewed this signal for now. So guys, that's it. It's a swing trade. Now let's see on M5. You can see M5 is making sense too. So we are buying, we are buying big time. And in the next few hours, couple of hours, we're gonna come back to check if the signal will give us profit or not. But definitely it's gonna give us profit. So guys, this is it. And when I come back the other time, I'll show you the results. See, this is massive, guys. See, so you can see the time at which I dropped the signal in the VIP. I dropped the signal at exactly 2:18 p.m. and right now we are at 2:31. You can see at the top of the screen 2:31. So guys, let's wait and see. For now it has been given profit for now, so we're not scared of spike. We're not scared of spike at all. We're not scared of spike, so we're just gonna make money on this signal. So guys, let me pause the video for now and come back for in the next couple of hours to see how the signal is doing. Hello guys, this is business plus again to check on the signal and see how the signal is doing. As you can see, we are on M5 time frame. You can see now that we have two spike down and it's still going up. Okay, now let's go to 4 hours. You can see this is 4 hours. One candle is almost done for us. So guys, the signal is still valid on what we're trading, Crash 500 index. So guys, that's the hello guys, this is business plus again. I came back to check on the signal and this is 5:37 p.m. and you can see the signal was dropped at 2:18 p.m. that's 2:18 in the afternoon, and it's getting to the evening time now, or the evening time now, that's 5:38. As you can see, Crash 500 index, the EP is 8183 and the SL is 8069, the TP is 8427. So we are on buy signal. So guys, let's check the chart rather. And as you can see on the chart now, you can see the price is moving multiple positions. We have a spike down now, but we have nothing to worry about. You can see it's still going up, right? So the signal was picked on 4 hours time frame. So let's go to 4 hours time frame. You can see, so the second candlestick has started in profit. So let's see how far it goes. Maybe probably after a little retest, then it will start going back up. So guys, this is business plus. I'll still come back for the last session of the video. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is business plus. This morning, it's Sunday morning here, and as you can see, the time is 6:03 a.m. Sunday morning. And back to the signal, and this video will be the final part for Crash 500 index. As you can see, we have the EP A1A3 and also 8069 and the TP, which is 8427. It's a buy signal on H4, and I advised risk management. So guys, let me quickly show you the results for this final part of the video. And guys, here is it. You see, so I just want to do a little explanation on this, right? As you can see that, let me delete this. Yeah, as you can see that I place my SL here. Okay, this is the SL, and the reason why I put my SL there is because of the zone that we have here. Remember guys, I used to talk about zone a lot. Okay, so the signal will speak around here, and even if the signal will come down, it will come down to around this zone as the SL, but it didn't get there. So we have a breakout around this point, which is the first breakout is going, and I never knew that there would be much consolidation around this point, which did happen. Okay, so I waited, and the signal first go in loss for some hours, and after that we have another breakout around this point. And the reason the signal broke out around this point is because it is an uptrend. I didn't mean a signal is has changed the trend to be a downtrend, then we have it to come down to this point and break out to this point, go back up, then continue its downtrend around here. But since it's an uptrend, which I spot on H4 time frame, you can see we are in massive profit here guys. We are in massive profit. Like I said before in the previous video that um I have multiple entries for crash 500 index. And before I show you the result, now let's go back to lower time frame of 15. You can see how it's behaving on 15 minutes time frame, and also you can see that we have consolidation. Sorry about that. We have consolidations here. You can see so that's how it appears on smaller time frame. Okay, so now the best thing for me now is to lock in my profit and to see how long this goes. Okay, even if I lock in my profit, I'll lock in my profit around this point here, around this point, that's where I'll lock in my profit. That's a bit above 8290, which will be around this point here. Okay, it will be A301 or 00 will be the best place for me to lock in my profit. So now guys, let's go back to let's see what's happening on M30. And you can see guys, we are having breakout. This created a consolidation zone. We have a breakout here, another consolidation zone. We have a breakout, and it's now consolidating too. So anytime you spot a consolidation, the next thing is breakout. Okay, so that's it guys, that's it guys. On H1 you can see we have a massive up movement here, uptrend movement here, and you can see from our entry, it gave us something good. Now let's do the calculation here a bit. Let's do the calculation here a bit. Now let it go up. Sorry about that. Just want to do a little bit calculation when it gets here. So you can see we have 143. Now that 143 should be let's assume that you are using 0.20, then it will multiply by 143 pips. 143. Okay, so 0.20 will be giving you like $28 on each entry, almost $29 on each entry. Okay, now if you have 143 0.9, 143.9, let's go for 143.9 multiplied by 0.50, that will give you like $72. Okay, with this. Now if you're using one lot size will definitely give you 143.9, like 144 per one positions, and per one position rather. If you're using two lot size, you get 287.8. so guys, this is what I have explained before now. So guys, let me just view my results so that you guys can see. Dropped on 16th of July, as you can see on my screen. So guys, let me go back and show you something cool. So guys, this is it. Okay, you can see it's massive. Okay, that's it guys. So guys, I want you to smash the like button and also to subscribe to the channel for more videos turn on the notification button, so that you'll be the first person to see the video anytime I drop another video. So guys, please, I want you to support me on the channel. You can share the channel with other folks out there. So guys, bless up, bless up, bless up. I'm gonna lock in my profit on this my SL. I'm gonna shift it up. This SL, I'm gonna shift it up here and see how far it's gonna go. So guys, this is the last part for the video. So guys, bless up,